If the spray can stem is too deep or broken for a standard refilling method, you can still recover the can with safe, precise steps. First, confirm the can is empty and depressurized by venting it outdoors away from heat and flames until no propellant escapes and the nozzle does not spray. Work on a stable surface with eye protection and gloves. Trim away the outer plastic shroud carefully with a sharp utility knife, making small controlled cuts and rotating the can to avoid puncturing the metal valve body beneath. If the stem is recessed but intact, use a longer aftermarket valve adapter or modify a valve fitting by shortening its collar so it reaches the valve core. Ensure any modification sits squarely and forms a straight path to avoid bending the valve core. For a broken stem where the valve core is damaged, use a thin pick or magnetized tool to inspect for loose fragments and clear them before attempting any refill. When you fit a longer adapter, press evenly and hold firm for the full exchange time recommended by the refill product to allow propellant flow. Listen for leaks and stop immediately if you hear hissing from the can body rather than the connection. After refilling, test spray briefly outdoors, then allow the can to sit upright for at least 10 minutes so pressure stabilizes and the internal mixture rebalances. Common problems include nicking the valve body while cutting the plastic, which causes leaks, so cut slowly and keep the blade away from the metal rim. And if a leak starts, do not use the can. Recycle it where local rules allow. Another issue is using an adapter that is too short or angled, which can strip the valve core or push fragments inward. Use a straight, longer fitting and support the can to maintain alignment during connection. A third frequent mistake is failing to check for internal obstructions from broken stem pieces, which blocks flow and can clog the refill tool. Inspect with a pick or compressed air and remove debris before trying again. We run bighomeprojects.com to connect homeowners with local contractors and to help contractors find jobs. We also host a discussion community where we and other users share hands-on tips, troubleshooting steps, and tool recommendations related to projects like Aerosol can recharging.